Hello, welcome back to Bucks County Beer Reviews. Back in the beer basement this evening. We've had a very awful weekend for weather. Nothing but rain. I think we got 4 inches of rain over the past couple of days. Tonight we're here to do another one from Big B Beer Reviews. He sent me a beer mail a little while back, and we're going to take care of, I think this is the third one of those so far. And tonight we're doing Big Storm Brewing BROMOSA. It's a Tangerine IPA. A lot of glare. There we go. All right. Big Storm Brewing is out of Pinellas Park, Florida. This Tangerine IPA is brewed with all natural tangerine puree. And it's a 7% ABV. Okay, this brewery was founded in 2012, and in Florida it also has 4 tap rooms, one in Clearwater, Odessa, Cape Coral, and Orlando. And there's also a Big Storm distillery where they make spirits. And let's see, on Untappd, this one gets a 3.78. with 12,500 ratings. So let's get it open and see what it looks like, see what it smells like. It smells very good. It does smell like tangerine, very citrusy, but distinctly tangerine. I got this glass tonight. It is hazy, not much light coming through. Real nice aroma. And thank you, Brian, for sending this. I appreciate it. I'd never see this beer without you. Wow, that is zesty. Very strong tangerine just in the head. Slightly tart, but not. I don't really go for sour beers, but a little bit of tartness is okay. This one's in the okay range. It's actually nice. It's different. So let's try the body. Cheers, everyone. It's very tangerine. They got that part right. Got the tangerine with the sunglasses on. They didn't lie. It's nice. It's not too sweet. I would say about 3 sugar cubes, possibly 3.5. It doesn't have any hoppy bitterness, but it has a little bit of tangerine pithy bitterness. Let's read the can. I should have read this before. We brewed the ultimate beverage for the bro, or sis, that isn't into sweet bubbles served in pretentious, highfalutin glassware. BROMOSA is a dry hop, juicy IPA with a name that makes it socially acceptable to drink in the morning or any time of the day. Expect a powerful punch of tangerine flavor. It has that, followed by a dry and hoppy finish that even the self-proclaimed IPA hater enjoys. It pairs well with French toast, goat cheese, and steak and eggs. Florida's craft beer forecast. Well, let's see. Is it dry? I think it is dry. It is rather dry. Hoppy finish. The hoppy in this beer is flavor hops, not bittering hops. It's hoppy, but in a flavorful kind of way. Let's get the rest in there. It's a different kind of IPA. I can't say yes, I love this style, but this is actually pretty tasty. I wouldn't buy it again. If somebody gave me another one, I would drink it. It's just a stylistic thing. Um, it's the very tangerine, citrusy part. I'm not really favorable towards that. So for a grade on this one, a grade on how much I like the beer, I would give this one a C plus. It's a C plus to me. You might love it. If you love tangerine, if you like very citrusy IPAs, you might love it. It is as advertised on the can, and that's always a good thing. So, thank you again, Brian. I appreciate it. I think I have 3 more of your beers to do, and I have a few other ones that I'm going to mix a couple in, and we'll see what happens next. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure appreciate it. Catch you again.